In our digital world, our connections are boundless, but so are the threats. Imagine a world without cybersecurity, where our identities, assets, and privacy hang in the balance, vulnerable to cyber criminals. But there is hope. It all starts with you and the basics of cybersecurity. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Protect your digital life. Train employees. Invest in security. Unite against cyber threats. Collaborate to safeguard critical infrastructure. Cybersecurity is a journey and not a destination. Stay vigilant. Defend your digital world. Together, we forge a safer digital future. Cybersecurity, your responsibility in our connected world. Stay safe online. This message is brought to you by Talk to Luke, making learning easy and reachable across the globe.